In this video, I am going to show you how to hide best friends on Snapchat. This is a very easy tutorial, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat. In order to do that, you have to go to Google Play Store, look for Snapchat, and install or update this application. Okay, now, first thing to do is to launch your application here, and then you can go to your chat box or you can go to your friends list. So you just have to tap this human icon here, tap your best friend's name or his profile. So once you tap your best friend's name, all you have to do is to click his or her profile again at the top left corner. And once you tap that one, you can see options below. But if you scroll down here, you can't see any options. It says hide. Instead, you can look for this manage friendship. You can tap this one. And then once you tap this manage friendship, you have to scroll down and look for remove friend if you really want to remove this person also on your friends list. Another thing is that you can go back, look for that best friend's profile again, and then you can tap chat settings. Once you tap this one, click this clear from chat feed, and then they will ask you again if you're sure about this. So tap clear again. And as you can see, the name of the person here was removed. So those are the methods and how to hide best friends on Snapchat. I do really hope that this video helped you. And thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.